stay real or you could swallow a grenade. I'm the comeback king while only using my blade. Come on.
Yep. Alright. I'm in my garage right now. I'm already cold as fuck. Alright? I'm down to my tights, like I was in my other video, with my socks on, flippy flops and fucking socks. And we gonna get this done. Now what I'm gonna do, I felt like a bitch when I jumped into that snow because there was only a little bit of snow. Alright, so somebody called and fucked up the recording. But it's a full-on blizzard outside. I'm cold already. And I'm just gonna jump out there and dive into some snow. I swear to God, I'm gonna die. But if I die, Charlene, just upload the video.
Alright, cool.
Just let them know I did it for YouTube.
Okay.
Hold on, I gotta get my grown ass man on. Hold on, gotta get my grown ass man on. We gonna get our grown ass man on. We gonna do it. We gonna do it, cause I ain't no bitch. Gotta stretch. Alright, come on.
Turn on the light in the back.
Let's do it.
Turn on the light in the back right there, switch. Oh my nigga.
Alright. Diving. I'm diving.
I'm trying to see you. Can't see you. Wait, which way are you diving in?
Diving over there. Because I'm a grown ass man.
Wait.
And it's gonna happen.
Okay,
Alright,
so.
go over there.
Yeah. Wait, which way? Forward?
Go over there. Yeah, over there.
Damn, nigga. Oh shit! I'm trying. There's so much snow, my nigga. Go ahead. Kinda, but the snow is like shh, so it's hard. But try, go ahead. Hurry up. Oh god.
Oh, get my slipper.
Will! I'm gonna come back out for it.
That was so stupid. That was so stupid. I'm fucking cold. I'm fucking cold. I'm fucking cold. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Come on. Get my slipper.
You know.
Okay. I did it for YouTube. I felt like a bitch when I did it before. And there was only a little bit of snow. I got my grown ass man on. I did it for YouTube.
You guys lost a slip.
It's the TRyHaRD Nation, yeah, we running this thing. Born to game and entertain, got them going insane. We just try. It's the TRyHaRD Nation, come and rock with the best. Born to game and entertain, TRyHaRD game and wreck. Give you a live con, rage con, whatever you call it. I unleash the Cujos, they crazy like alcoholics. Try hard or die fast, that's the motto for the team. Matter of fact, I make the chat crack, come follow the stream. Turning grown men into fanboys, introduce them to wings. Got a drama alert when I introduce them to king.